Hey everyone, this is Umang and in this video we are going to talk about prediction using unsupervised machine learning. Now before starting, one thing I want to mention is that this video is not for complete beginners. To do this project, you must have some basic knowledge of Python, unsupervised machine learning and K-means algorithm. If you know all of this, then you are good to go with this project. Let's get started. So as we all know, we have three types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In supervised machine learning, we have input, label, and we give that to a machine learning algorithm which gives us a model. Then we give our new input to this model to get the label, that is the output. In unsupervised machine, what we do is we try to find out a pattern in given data. We only have data in unsupervised machine learning and our goal is to find some pattern in that data. Here you can see we can make cluster of these data points together. Like this is second cluster and this one is third cluster. Okay, so this comes under the unsupervised machine learning. And third type is reinforcement learning. We are not explaining that in this video. Okay, so let's see the problem statement. Okay, so in this problem statement we are given iris dataset and we have to predict the optimum number of clusters and represent it to visually. We can use R or Python for this task. Here's the solution for this. Step 1 is to import necessary libraries like pandas, sklearn and matplotlib. In step 2, we will load our iris dataset. Then we'll define target and predictors. In step 4, we will explore our dataset by just plotting a scatter plot of the given dataset. And we will see all the data points in that graph. Then in step 5, we will find the optimum number of clusters by using elbow method. Now, if you don't know what is elbow method, then you can just refer to this PDF. In step 6, we will apply our K-means algorithm, and here I have written all the explanation of this K-means algorithm. And at last, we will visualize our clusters. Don't worry about this PDF, you can download it from the link given in the description below. Now let's quickly jump into the code section. Okay, so as we saw in the solution, first we are importing our necessary libraries. Pandas for loading our dataset as a data frame, matplotlib for plotting our dataset and visualizing the clusters, sklearn for importing dataset and for implementing K-means algorithm. In step 2, we are loading the dataset from sklearn using dataset.load_iris. Then we are using pandas for making data frame, and here we are printing first 10 rows of our dataset. In step 3, we are defining target and predictors. X is our predictor and Y is our target variable. In step 4, we are just exploring our dataset by plotting a scatter plot of the given dataset. You can see all the data points here. These are all data points we have in our given dataset. In step 5, we are finding optimum number of clusters using the same algo I have mentioned in the PDF. Now here we are plotting the results on a graph to observe the elbow. As you can see, after the value of 3, after 3 clusters, the value of WCSS, which is within cluster sum of squares, is not decreasing that much. It is some like constant. So the optimum number of clusters is 3. Then in step 6, we are applying K-means algorithm by taking number of clusters is equal to 3. And finally in step 7, we are visualizing our clusters. These all are our clusters. Here I have mentioned the categories also. You can access this complete code from the link given in the description below, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.